Hey, I'm Steve with Prima Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to install a set of high-uniformity burrs into the Lagom P64. So the burrs that are in there right now are what are called multi-purpose burrs. These are both SSP burrs, and they're both coated in Red Speed, which is titanium, aluminum, carbon, nitride, which means that they're both going to last forever. But the burrs inside there right now are called multi-purpose because they're for brewing coffee and for espresso. And on the espresso side, they're really more for your light roast espresso, your higher ratios espresso. So instead of 1 to 2, which you'll probably do with these, you might be doing 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3, maybe pushing it a little farther. So for your single origin, your light roast espresso. These burrs here are called high uniformity, and these are what you're going to find in your sort of traditional espresso burr. So if you like that traditional espresso, if you're doing that 1 to 2 ratio, if you're using blends or medium and dark roasts, you're probably going to want these high uniformities. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put these in. So what you're going to need to take out the burrs and to install these other burrs is a flathead screwdriver, a brush to clear away any of the debris in there, and then the burrs that you want to put in. So in order to get into the burr carrier here on the Lagom, you'll just hold the body here with one hand and you'll turn the collar counterclockwise until this top part just comes free. Yep, there you go. So you can put this aside and now you have access to it. So what you'll do is just take off this, and this is the stationary burr here. This in here is your rotating burr. And so we'll go ahead and take this one out. This is the most difficult one to get out. So take your flathead screwdriver, and you'll probably need to apply some pressure here, either to the middle or holding on the side so that you can get leverage. And there you go. So once you have the screws out, the burr should be free. You can see it moving there. And it's a little difficult to get out, but what you need to do is get your fingers on the inside here and press out on both of them until you can get a pretty good grip, and then you can lift straight out like that. So there's your burr. And put that aside, and we will take the different SSP burr that we want to install, and SSP has labeled them on the bottom. This is your bottom burr, so this goes in here. But let's go ahead and clear away some of this coffee. It goes in just like it. The other one came out. Press it in, and then find your screw holes there. And then you can start to replace this. Go ahead and make sure they're tight enough. Don't over tighten them, but certainly give it a final turn. Okay, so your bottom burr is in, and now we'll go ahead and take off the top burr. Make sure it's the top. So once you have this both high uniformity burrs in, you can just take this top one and fit it right back into its place. Take the collar and screw it back on. As you get closer to the end, there we go. You may have to bring this back a little bit. Okay. So now you're ready to start making espresso. So that is how you install a set of burrs on a Lagom P64. You can find these burrs online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you liked that video, you'll be pleased to know there is so much more on our website, including comparisons, product reviews, brew guides, events coverage, and so much more. And help support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, sharing, commenting, and clicking that bell button. Happy brewing!